With the construction of dams, such as Mangla Dam and Tarbala Dam across the Indus, Sindhis have seen the once mighty Indus turned into a shadow of its former glory downstream of the Kotri barrage up to Hyderabad. They fear that there simply is not enough water for another large dam across the Indus, let alone 3. The Kalabagh site is located in a highly seismic zone near an active fault, and the underlying rocks are likely to contain numerous fractures, causing the reservoir water to seep through the catacomb of fractures and discharge at the lowest point around the reservoir and the Indus River. Damming the Indus has already caused a number of environmental problems that have not yet addressed. Silt deposited in the proposed Kalabagh Dam would further curtail the water storage capacity of Manchur Lake and other lakes and of wetlands like Halgi Lake. President General Musharraf and other leaders, such as Prime Minister Kakad Aziz, have promised ironclad constitutional guarantees to ensure that Sindh gets its fair share of water. However, these assurances mean little to most Sindhis, who point out that even the earlier 1991 Indus Water Sharing Accord, which is a document already guaranteed by the constitutional body, the Council of Common Interests, has been violated, and that Punjab has stolen their water. The objection to Kalabagh in Sindh is widespread. Even political parties of Sindh that are in the central cabinet and are supported by General Musharraf, such as the MQM, have strongly denounced the dam. NWFP viewpoint: the NWFP has two main objections to the dam. While the reservoir will be in the NWFP, the dam's electricity generating turbines will be just across the provincial border in Punjab. Therefore, Punjab would get royalties from the central government in Islamabad for generating electricity. Contrary to this, however, Punjab has agreed not to accept any royalties from the Kalabagh Dam. The fact that the NWFP will suffer the adverse consequences of the reservoir but not get royalties is seen as unfair. Concerns that large areas of Nowshera district would be submerged by the dam and even wider areas would suffer from waterlogging and salinity, as has occurred with the Tarbala Dam. Balochistan viewpoint: the dam does not directly affect the Baloch as such. Rather, most nationalist Baloch Sardars seized up they are signaling their disaffection with being the poorest province and most neglected of all in development. In reality, Balochistan can only get more water and its due share after the construction of Kalabagh Dam and Kashi Canal. The